Hello, today we'll take a look on this 2013 Audi S8 and then we'll go towards the Autobahn for an Autobahn blast. So we have 21-inch rims with winter tires, unfortunately. On the rear we have custom exhaust, which is basically removed rear silencers. Let's take a look on the engine. So we have all-time favorite, the V8 twin turbo by Audi with 630 horsepower, almost 900 Newton meters of torque. So at the rear, as expected, the vehicle offers quite comfort for such a sporty vehicle. We have, of course, this middle seat with the drop-down headrest, of course with some climate controls. On some vehicles we also have moving seats and a massage function. Here we have only the heated seats. Here is our passenger for evaluating the comfort of this vehicle. So let's move to the front seat and let's have a drive. So let's start the engine. Yep, quite loud, but it's actually not so loud. We have some low behind the car, but it's actually quite reasonable. So we can see here 9.2 liter per 100 kilometers for 63 kilometers. The average speed is lower because we were in the traffic, but quite good overall consumption once driven normally, and of course not sporty. If you drive it with only the gas pedal and the brake pedal all the time used, of course the consumption will not be the same. So let's head for the Autobahn. We go into dynamic mode. And let's go. Zero to 100 kilometers per hour, we have measured 3.4 seconds with the GPS equipment. We still haven't measured the 100 to 200 times. Okay. The vehicle is unbelievably fast for such a big car, almost 5.2 meters. I think that even a little bit more, 5.25. So it's, yes, it's huge. The Autobahn, this is where this vehicle is made for. You cannot feel the speed in this car, you cannot feel anything happening. It's just you and the Autobahn. When you're going with the speed limit, you feel that you're going way slower. It's just unbelievably how two South German vehicles are performing. Here we have our police department. Yes, they are always watching on us. One other new addition to the mods on this vehicle is that it's currently running the Audi S8 Plus 2016 software. Not like for the power, not the maps for the power, but the other parameters like temperatures, like some other just differences between the earliest Audi S8s and the more later 2016 and 17 models. So it's currently having just a little bit additional and better response to the accelerator pedal. And yeah, the Bulgarian Autobahn. And let's return to the sport or dynamic mode. Let's wait for just a little bit more free space. Literally 2 hours later. The vehicle is pretty responsive in the higher speeds above 150. The gearbox is handling 2 speeds pretty well. We are handling this pretty well. Also the suspension, the adaptive air suspension, which can be customized in the individual mode, but for now in the dynamic, in the most dynamic setting. The car is very stable. Of course the suspension is lowering with I think 20 millimeters, if I'm not wrong, compared to the standard height. So, well, yeah, the perfect vehicle for long journeys with not too much but pretty okay boot space. You can travel and go to every place you want in a spectacular comfort. Thanks for watching and see you next time.